Hello students, in this lesson of MS Excel, we will learn about what is MS Excel, how to start MS Excel, and spreadsheet. What is MS Excel? MS Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. It features calculation, graphing tools, pivot tables, and a macro programming language called Visual Basic for applications. It has been a very widely applied spreadsheet for these platforms. Excel form part of a MS Suite Office suite of software. Now we will learn about how to start MS Excel. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on All Programs option from the menu. Step 3. Search for Microsoft Office from the submenu and click it. Step 4. Search for Microsoft Excel 2010 from the submenu and click it. From the Excel Start screen, locate and select Blank Workbook to access the Excel interface. Now what is spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is a computer application for organization, analysis, and storage of data in tabular form. Spreadsheets were developed as computerized analogs of paper accounting worksheets. The program operates on data entered in the cells of a table. Each cell may contain either numeric or text data, or the results of formulas that automatically calculate. Some parts of the Excel window are standard in most other Microsoft programs. However, there are other features that are more specific to spreadsheets, such as the formula bar, name box, and spreadsheet tab. We will learn more about MS Excel in coming lesson. Thank you.